Sorry now, I was talking away there, thought it was recording and it wasn't. So I have a few bits on this. So the circle shown in the diagram has as tangents the x-axis, the y-axis, the line x plus y equals 2 and the line x plus y equals 2x. Or sorry, 2k. Sorry, where k is greater than 1, find the value of k. So because the x and the y-axis are tangents, we've come across a few of these. That means the centre, which is hk, has the same coordinates, and it has the same coordinates as the radius, as in order to get to that centre, we go right or units, and we go up or units. So the coordinates are or, yeah? So instead of hk, I'm going to call it or. I feel like there's something, sorry, I didn't quite get this far the last time. Right, if I draw this line here, so the line that goes to the origin, and when it cuts the points, it's 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5. That line is the line y equal to x. So it's literally where every x coordinate equals the y coordinate. So 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5. Yeah? Now, I should be able to find this point down here, the black point, by getting the point of intersection of x plus y equals 2 and y equals x. Okay, so if I let y equal x, I get x plus x equals 2. 2x equals 2, so x equals 1. And then if you sub that 1 back in to y equal to x, you get y equal to 1. So we get the point 1, 1. I don't know if those yellow bits are going to be important anymore. So 1, 1. And then same thing here for the pink one. So the pink one is the point of intersection of x plus y equals 2k and the line y equal to x. So that's x plus x equals 2k, so 2x equals 2k. I can divide by 2 and just get x equals k. And then if you sub that back into y equals x, that means y also equals k, so you get the point kk, which is what that is. Now, can you see that or is the midpoint? If both of those are tangents, then or is the midpoint of 1, 1 and kk. So if I do x1, y1, x2, y2 and use the midpoint formula, sorry, I can't quite see where this is going to go yet. So it's 1 plus k over 2, 1 plus k over 2, and that is essentially or, which means we get or equals 1 plus k over 2. Okay. What about the distance between sorry, table's very loud. Between 1, 1 and kk is the diameter, isn't it? Or twice the radius. Does that help? Maybe that helps. So the square root of x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared is the square root of k minus 1 squared plus k minus 1 squared. Oh no, hang on. If I multiply here by 2 and here by 2, they cancel and I get 2 or equals 1 plus k, and I can use that over here. So instead of equals 2 or, can it equal 1 plus k? And then square both sides. Black. So I get k minus 1 squared is k squared minus 2k plus 1. And then again, k squared minus 2k plus 1. And then this one, sorry, the square cancels the roots. And on this side, it's 1 plus k, so plus 2k plus k squared. One on the left and one on the right cancel. So I get k, oh my god, is this going to work? I get k squared minus 4k plus 2. And then I'm going to bring the other ones across. Minus 1 minus 2k. So I get k squared minus 6k plus 1. I don't know what the answer is, but I'm definitely getting a third here. I'm going to have to minus b this. So A is 1, B is minus 6, and C is 1. So minus B plus or minus the square root, B squared minus 4AC all over 2A. Okay, so minus bracket minus 6 plus the square root of minus 6 squared minus 4 times 1 over 2 times 1. So I'm getting k equals 3 plus 2 root 2 for that one. And then delete minus. So I'm getting k equals 3 minus 2 root 2. Okay. Was it one value or two values or? Okay, find the value of k, so singular, and it says here that k has to be greater than 1. I have no idea. Oh. So this is 0.17. So this is less than 1, which means we can reject. I assume the other one is grand, is it? So this one is 5.83 approximately, which means that is greater than 1. So that's going to be your answer. It doesn't say the form, so I suppose you could leave it in third form or you could leave it in decimal form. That's rounded to 2 decimal places. There's a lot more decimal places than that. Huh. Wasn't sure where I was going to go with that, but that worked.